Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function for you. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants, is defined. The table shows values of f of x as selected values of x. Which of the following statements is true? X values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so x values are increasing. The y values are given as 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. These are also increasing. They are both increasing. In that case, this must be a growth function. In the choice A, it says a decay function. We'll just eliminate it. And also in the choice C, it says f demonstrates exponential decay. Now it demonstrates exponential growth. So to find the values of, now only differences between choice B and D is if you will just realize that B is greater than 1, either B is between 0 and 1. In this format, if it is a growth function, B must be greater than 1. So you can just go ahead and select the choice B with this info, but I'd like to show you the algebraic solution for it. To do that, I'm going to use the data, this first given data, f0, which is a times b to the power of 0 is equals to 8. So a times 1 is 8. So a is 8. So f1, I'm going to use the second data. So a times b to the power of 1 is 16. So a is given as 8, 8b is 16. Divide both sides by 8. B will be equals to 2. So we already mentioned that B will be greater than 1. The choice B will be the correct answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.